Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mead Valley local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the best experienced long-distance moving solutions to help make your move so much easier. Choosing our team to assist you means your cross-country relocation will go smoothly. Moving isn't very easy, but using the best moving services can definitely make it so much simpler. Using our team gives you easy access to each of the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. However, after a close look at the key perks of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. The time savings you gain can make using the services of a moving company among the best choices you've made. It will also keep you from needing to take care of heavy lifting. Our expert movers offer efficiency with each and every move. If you prefer a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the best decision for you. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mead Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.